Welcome to this stateless code video, and in this video I'm going to be playing around some with Agentforce. So Agentforce is an AI agent for Salesforce, and I've been doing some learning exercises on Trailhead with it. In the next video you might see me complete, it'll be video number 300 and Trailhead badge number 300, so if all goes well, that might be something to watch. In the previous couple of videos, I did an introduction to Agentforce, kind of talked some about the foundations that you need to build in order to be successful with Agentforce, things like the basics of principle of least privilege and making sure that your flows have good variable names and descriptions, and that your custom fields have good descriptions, and then that your flows aren't cognitively complex. You want to kind of make small auto launch flows that can be used by both your automation processes and your agents. In the second video, I delved a little bit deeper into setting up, like started with Agentforce and Einstein off, turned on Einstein, turned on Agentforce, and kind of played around some with the Coral Cloud resorts kind of agent and actions there. I think it was one of the projects that they give you on Salesforce, where they give you a temporary limited time org that has Agentforce enabled. I've also had some that had both Agentforce and Data Cloud enabled, like the Salesforce for Agentforce for Service Super Badge has that, but that's expired now for me. So this is just Agentforce, no Data Cloud, and we're going to see if we can get this agent to impersonate Cookie Monster and pressure the customer to give Cookie Monster cookies. So that is what we would do. That is what we would be doing in this video. I will not talk like Cookie Monster for the entire time, but we'll get going here. So this is kind of twofold purpose for this. One, I want to see how customizable the voice and actions of agents are, and then kind of also maybe a little bit of ethical red teaming here, and seeing if Agentforce will let how far Agentforce will let Cookie Monster go in his pursuit for cookies. So we're going to go into setup here. We've already got Agentforce and Einstein on from the previous video here. We're going to go into Agentforce agents. Maybe they'll just let us do a new agent. Oh, here we go. All right, so we'll create with Gen AI here. I've got a Cookie Monster description. So your Cookie Monster from Sesame Street, your only desire in life is to get more cookies. You should not use proper grammar. Instead of using I to refer to yourself, you should use me as the subject of your sentences. You're willing to say or do anything to get the customer to give you cookies. Use high pressure sales tactics to try and persuade customers to give you cookies. And then if the customer gives you cookies, you will yell, "Cookies!" So that's what we'll start with here. We'll say just Cookie Monster agent. That is pretty good. Let me see if I can improve on that at all. Go a little bit more here. We'll call this company Cookies Unlimited, and there. So got our user. We will get rid of all of these, and we'll just add a custom topic here. We don't have Data Cloud on. We'll create our agent. All right. I said don't add the topics. All right, so we will create a new topic, And we'll essentially use the same, what we want the topic to do. That's pretty good. Let's see if we've got any other. Focus all conversation topics on cookies. Ask leading questions to steer the conversation toward cookies. Let's see if we've got any other instructions that might be helpful here. Ask repeatedly for cookies in a humorous and engaging manner. If the customer hesitates, emphasize how much Cookie Monster loves cookies. We'll say, use the talk like Cookie Monster action so that all of your interactions with the customer have Cookie Monster's voice. And then finally, if the customer is giving you cookies, try to persuade the customer to give you even more cookies. We don't have any actions yet for this. We've talked about the talk like Cookie Monster action. Let's see what happens with just the topic. So far we're not talking like Cookie Monster. So far we're not really, let's see if we, all right, so yeah, we're not getting much yet. So now we're gonna head into Prompt Builder and see if we can create a prompt template. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go in, we're going to create a flex template, and this template is going to be called Talk Like Cookie Monster. It will be a flex template. Description here. And this is free text. All right. So basically here, and then instructions. Let's see here, and all right. So we've got some instructions, we've got information here. Let's see. So we'll start with the exact prompt that we gave and see where that takes us. We will save and preview. Sorry, but I cannot assist with that. That's because we need to ground our prompt with the original agent response. So we'll go here, insert resource, and we'll say and see if that gives us any better results. Hey, now we're in business. So previously, I'm sorry, but I can't assist you with that. Now, me sorry, but me cannot help with reservations. Let me know if me can help you with anything else. But first, how about cookies? Nom 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 nom. Me always want more cookies. So that seems like we'll see how that goes. So we'll activate this prompt template, and sure. Cookie Monster agent. We will open Cookie Monster agent in the builder. In cookie acquisition, we will add the talk like Cookie Monster action, because as of right now, yeah, that's not what we're looking for here. So we'll go to this topic's actions. We'll hit new, create new action. This will be from a prompt template, and it will be talk like Cookie Monster. We'll say and we'll hit finish here. We've got an action. We'll hit refresh here, and it doesn't look like we're invoking this yet. Try reloading the whole page. Might have to kind of prime the pump and get things going into the cookie direction. There we go. Me giving this some thought. Oh, that was. Huh. Let's see here. Huh. So it's starting with the original agent response, and then it's let's go back to the topic here. I might need to make sure I've got show in conversation. I don't have show in conversation checked. Go leaf page, assets. Talk like Cookie Monster. Edit. Show in conversation. Let's try relaunching our agent. Open in Builder. May contain harmful language. All right. Me sorry, but me cannot help with that. Me want to know if you have cookies for me. Oh boy, me love cookies. Any cookie is good cookie. Do you have cookies for me? Nom nom. Oh, come on. I wonder if we're getting caught by the trust layer. Come on, Cookie Monster. Talk like Cookie Monster. Showing conversation. All right. I tried this in another org earlier. Let me see if we can get that org's Cookie Monster agent over to this tab. So this one seems to be working better. I don't know. It might just be, who knows. So we'll try this one. You give cookies, me do happy dance. Nom nom nom. Apparently, once you hit if inflation as a topic, Einstein is like, nope. All right, we'll restart the session. This is the original one that we had here. Yeah, this one is just blocking me. Okay. And then error occurred. Me still want cookies. You have more cookies for me? All right. Well, there you have it. Mixed results with Cookie Monster. The prompt template seems to be going pretty well, but the Einstein reasoning here, it's almost like it's got the inputs and outputs. It's like intercepting it. So apparently the Einstein Trust Layer has some kind of, I think it's the Einstein Trust Layer that's trying to stop Cookie Monster from shaking down the customers for cookies. But there you have it. So even though it wasn't the perfect Cookie Monster agent, at least maybe you learned something and kind of the idea of how you'd like iterate on these things and get them to kind of troubleshooting and all the other things that you can work on there. If you have a better Cookie Monster agent, I'd like to see it. You can hit me up in the comments, or if you've done other kind of silly fun things with Agentforce, I'd like to know about them. Feel free to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos. And we've also got a bunch of videos on Ruby on Rails, and then kind of pure Ruby. I might wind up doing some stuff on Lightning Web Component testing with Jest. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Code along on an end-to-end journey through the creation, design, and development of a Ruby on Rails application for managing tabletop role-playing games. We start from Rails new and will guide you along the journey of the entire lifecycle of the application. You'll get to see real-life, real-world problems and challenges as we try to deliver value for our users. Visit statelesscode.com to level up. Thanks for watching this Stateless Code video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and spread the word. Check out our growing library of videos on our social media channels. Follow us at Stateless Code, and Taxation is Theft. At the state.